My name is Anthony Ogden, and I'm the founder and managing director of Gateway International Group. Here at Gateway, we're offering a relatively new service that is particularly important to so many institutions around the country. It's called Gateway On-Demand Staffing Services. It is increasingly common that institutions are finding themselves in a situation where their international offices are understaffed. With Gateway On Demand, we can provide remote staffing to support your ISSS needs, your education abroad needs, or even your international enrollment management needs. Gateway On Demand has been designed to support your immediate staffing needs. We can place senior, skilled professionals in your office within just a couple of days. They don't need any training. Once we have a clearer understanding of your staffing needs, our senior international education professionals will work very closely with you. We will meet regularly with you to make sure that during this bridge that we're helping your office move from point A to point B. With our ISSS services, we can place individuals with you to assist with your I-20 needs, DS 2019 needs, or even assisting students with travel signatures or OPT applications. Under our Education Abroad services, our associates can assist you with a wide range of activities from program design, budget finalization, to pre-departure orientations, to even managing your program portfolio. Under our international enrollment management services, we can support you with everything that you can imagine with admissions, from reviewing applications to communicating with students, even attending recruitment events on your behalf. Our services are flexible and customizable to support the demands of any institution type anywhere in the United States. If you'd like to learn more about Gateway On-Demand Staffing Services, please visit our website at www.gatewayinternational.org. There you'll find all you need.